So today I'll be showing you how to equalize the music or how to use the equalizer for your JBL Flip 7. Now you should have connected your JBL to your phone, and then also you go ahead and install the JBL Portable app. And then when you launch the app and it's paired to your speaker, you should see the equalizer at the top. Okay, so you have the equalizer, you have the JBL signature equalization, then you have chills. These are some custom made equalizations or equalization settings. Okay, so you have this one for energetic, chill, vocal, which concentrates more on the voice, and then you have custom. So when you tap on custom, this is where you save your custom equalization. So you want to go ahead and tap on edit, and then now you can set your custom equalization at any time. So you can adjust the low frequencies, the mid-range frequencies, and the high frequencies to your exact liking. Now obviously you should be playing music as you're doing this, so you can actually hear in real time what is going on. And then when you're happy with it, you can just leave it as is and tap on the back button, and those equalization settings are going to be saved in this custom area. Now that's basically how to do that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.